Jason with North Texas Aquaponics here. Just going to go over a 1 week checkup on these plants and see how much they've grown over the last 7 days. As you can tell, they've grown quite a bit. Last week they measured in at about 7.5 inches for the lettuce here. Looking like they're about 9.5 inches right now. So that's just over the course of 7 days. That's some pretty good growth. This particular system here is just finished cycling over the last 3 or 4 days. So the good bacteria is now breeding, and it's really exploding. There should be some great growth over the next couple weeks as well. Coming over here to the winter squash. You can see on these winter squash they're growing some little fruits there. You should have squash coming up fairly soon. This one right here is just pretty much exploded. Get my measurement out here. These won't grow a whole lot taller, but they should grow quite a bit wider, really spread out. Same with the string beans back here. And this one's really got out of control. Last week this was about 10 inches, and it's well over 16 right now. So it's growing about an inch a day, pretty close to it. These back here as well, looking like they're right at pretty close to 15 inches, 15.5 inches back there. Some very good growth also. Coming over here to our cucumber. We've got a couple of cucumber plants growing back here. And this one actually started sprouting some flowers on it, with some little cucumbers behind it. It's kind of hard to get this whole thing in the shot here, it's so big. There's the cucumbers that are popping up on there that are starting to grow. Now the rest of these little plants, I don't know if you can see them in here, these are plants that we've transferred from our Oasis grow cubes. These are just barely seeds that have just sprouted. And we filled the rest of this bed here with those. There's a little bit of lettuce in here that we've taken from the other lettuce bed because there was just so much lettuce in it. We transplanted it into this bed here. Well, there it is. That's 1 week of growth from these plants here. And we'll check up again next week. Thanks for watching.